So, good morning. This is little Luce, who's one of the foster kittens that I have. He's about 3 weeks old, and for some reason he's not nursing off of his mom anymore, so he's going to see the vet today. But in the meantime, I'm going to feed him his breakfast, which is just formula that you can pick up at any pet store, and heat it up on the stove, test it on your wrist just like a baby so that it's not too hot, and then you use one of these empty syringes. He's going to be really hungry because he hasn't had anything. Luce, come here. Come here, buddy. Get a good shot of you. Look. Hey. There. Yes. Nice. Now. I mean, how can you resist this face? Hey. Hey. There. He's a good eater. I just don't know why he won't nurse with the other kittens. I think maybe he's the runt. He's so much smaller than all of them, so they push him out of the way. I don't know. I've come up with a million theories, but at least he eats the formula. This. You're my baby, huh? And he started off eating about 3 of these. That's 3 milliliters. And I just let him have as much as he wants. Now he's up to 6 milliliters. I just want to get him fatter. Because when they're really skinny, then they get lethargic and, yeah. You're shivery, huh? Oops, slowing down. Are you nervous? Yes. What's the matter? That's nice. So I guess the rule is if you have a weak, sickly kitten that's not nursing, you're supposed to feed them every 4 hours. If you have a kitten that's not nursing that has good energy, like this one, I think it's every 8 hours. So that's been working out pretty good. Ready, Lise? Come here, bud. I mean, you try saying no to this face staring at you going, I need you to live. It's like impossible. It's so cute. You're so cute. Here. Ready? You're slowing down. You're slowing down. Here, look at Jade. Look at Jade so she can see you. Here, Lucy. I think he's had enough. Wipe his little mouth. His little milk mouth. Are you happy? And then it's important to keep them warm so that they digest everything okay. Other than that, we'll just feed him again in another 4 or 5 hours. Meow.